Hi, it's Ian for the Nokia 230 and I'll show you how to change notification sounds on this device. So open first the menu and then scroll down by press down button. Scroll to the settings section. Just choose the settings, scroll down, tap to tones and scroll to the messages. Choose them and here you could choose the another sound of your messages. Just choose for SIM1 and SIM2. Let's just choose one from the ringtones sounds. For example, this one. Tap to OK to save the changes, and that's it. Now we just successfully changed the notification sound on our Nokia phone. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.